Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this delightful cookbook is now available at Amazon in ebook, paperback format. All this and more recipes, secret tips of mom is found in this book, like this fresh lumpia, lumpiang sariwa, delicious fresh lumpia. All these recipes of Philippines delicious food you will find in my beloved mom's cookbook. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her adoring daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this precious cookbook is now available at Amazon, Kindle, ebook, paperback format. And this book cover is a picture of our first home in our newly built kitchen. And this is my beloved mom in her younger days. Always the devoted wife of my beloved dad, who worked in the United States to support us, their 8 children, to college universities. And thank God we all graduated with our college degrees. Thanks, Mom and Dad. This cookbook, written by Juanita Gutierrez, is now available at Amazon.com, Xlibris.com, and all bookstores nationwide. And let's cook delicious food like this fresh lumpia or lumpiang sariwa. Mabuhay tayong lahat.